Good day!
This is REGINE ESTORBA,
And this is RELLMARC Maquiling.
and we will be making a video tutorial in final fulfillment in our subject COMP4 AGA.
We will be making a video presentation about mail merge
Mixed references.
and self-running PowerPoint. So, let's start making mail merge first. To start, open Microsoft Excel.
So let us open Microsoft Excel 2010.
The main use of mail merge is to make everything simpler and easier to input large number of different data in Microsoft Word.
So to maximize our time, we have already encoded the data we need. Let us find first our data we have encoded.
Our purpose of having this data is to send letters out the data we already encoded.
So we already encoded the family name, first name, the address, province, zip code, date, and year.
Now, let's move on in Microsoft Word to make a letter.
Microsoft Word.
As we have said, to maximize the time, we already inputted the necessary parts of the letter.
What we will do now is to insert the data we encoded in Microsoft Word. And this is the letter we have encoded.
First, click the Mailings button in the topmost part. Start looking for the select recipients and click it. Choose the Use Existing List and click it as well.
Look for the Excel file you saved and click it. Go to the Documents and then find the data you have encoded. Since the data we have encoded entitled Data Excel, so we need to open this Data Excel. And then click OK.
Now, we can start inserting the data.
And then look for the Insert Merge field. But before that, we should let us remember the basic parts of the letter. With this, we can arrange the data we have. So we need click Insert Merge field.
Click first the date. In the next two lines, the first name, space the family name. In the next line, the address. In the next line again, the province, comma, the zip code. And for the salutation, click the dear and semicolon.
And now this is the general structure of mail merge. We have the addresses, the salutation greetings, the body, and the signatures.
To review what we have inserted in the letter, just click Preview Results, and then if you want to see the rest of the data, just click the next button above Find Recipient.
You can notice that it is changing while clicking the next button according to the respective data from the Microsoft Excel.
So, it is easier this way to make letters for large numbers of recipients.
So once again, this is how to use Mail Merge feature in MS Word 2010. Thank you! We already have learned how to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word. This, of course, is applicable in any version of Microsoft Word.
Let us now continue in grasping more about Microsoft Office. We will be moving on studying self-running PowerPoint.
Self-running PowerPoint is very helpful if and only if we are not fond of clicking or having follow-ups in our presentation. It is also helpful in conserving time because it doesn't need any unnecessary stops to run, as what its title implies, it runs on its own.
Let's start on making a presentation.
We will be inputting simple steps in each slide so that you can go along with us.
First step, input slides in your presentation. The main body of PowerPoint is the main slides of the presentation. Hence, without those, there will be no presentation that will happen. This is the basic requirement in making a PowerPoint. Just click the new slide in the home page and choose themes in the design part.
Next is to make your presentation be livelier. Put some transitions and animations in the presentation to make it more catchy and enjoyable to see. You can do whatever you want in your presentation, just explore and explore.
After putting some transitions and animations, be sure to click the After box in the transition menu. This will enable the slide to run on its own. Always unclick the On mouse click so that the presentation will run successfully.
Lastly, customize your work. You can either make a uniform span of time per slide or change it the way you want it. If you want it to be uniformed, just click the Apply to All in the timing section of transitions.
On the other hand, if you want to make the first slide be the cynosure of the presentation, just customize the time span longer compared to the other slides.
Now, everything has been settled. Let's try the presentation we made. You may click this button Slideshow, or in a more convenient way, just press F5 to run the presentation.
Self-running PowerPoint.
The first thing to do, input slides in your presentation.
Second, make your presentation be livelier.
Third, be sure to click the After box.
The fourth and the last, customize it. Our last topic is about mixed references in Microsoft Excel. We will be doing this fast, so bear with us. Mixed references is used for computing large data with some constant value. We already encoded the data and we will show you how it is done. Suppose that the restaurant has a markdown price of their foods into 25% off.
In order to get the discount value, just click D2 and press equal sign. Then click B2, press multiplication sign, and click C2 and enter. In order to get the discount value of other items, just click D2 again and put $sign beside C and C2 in the formula bar. This means that C2 is constant throughout the same column. Click D2, just drag it down to get the discount value of other items. Let's move on how to get the final price. Click E2 and press equal sign. Click B2 again, minus sign, and then click D2, and then enter. Just drag it down. There are so many ways in getting or achieving mixed references. This is just one of the easiest ways in doing so. Thank you for your time. We hope you have learned something on the 3 topics we discussed. Again, this is REGINE ESTORBA.
And this is RELLMARC Maquiling.
Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.